Welcome to Morningstar Academy's STEAM class. Today, we are going to make a topographic relief model out of some art and recyclable materials. Topography is the study of the forms and features of land surfaces. Topography means the description of shape. The word comes from Greek. Topo means place, and graphic means I write. When you talk of the topography of the land, you refer to the landscape features like valleys, hills and mountains, rivers and lakes, or the coastline. Relief or topographic relief describes the amount of topographic change within a particular area. Another way to look at relief is the difference between the highest point and the lowest point in a given area. So, are you ready? Let's start! Have you received your materials? You'll be receiving once within this month only these materials. Some cardboards, plastic grass for landscaping, and a glue stick. Additional materials are paintbrush, coloring materials such as the acrylic coloring, or you can also use a watercolor-based coloring materials. To start with your project, you need to choose your design for your topographic relief model. You can search in the internet and look for any design like this. In this demonstration, I used a map of the golf course showing the different terrains of the hills, the bunker, the pond water, and the cold trench. On your map, you can see there some drawings or sketches of different landscape with different elevation. So using your design map, you will be sketching on your cardboard the same shape of this map. For example, you are drawing or sketching the shape of the bunker. So you will follow the shape of the bunker and draw it on your cardboard at a bigger scale. So this is the smaller scale. On your cardboard, you will be drawing a bigger scale, same shape as this bunker. Same as with those elevated terrain. You will draw the same design, each sizes and shape from this unmaintained rough. Okay, or unmaintained rough here. Then one by one, you will stick or cut first your cardboard and pile the cardboard as layer like this. The same layer with this. You will also show the water pond here. So you will draw the entire sketches here, the terrain, the bunker, everything in here. You will draw it one by one in your cardboard. Choose one cardboard with nice plain design here, and then choose this side without the markings. Compare with this. Okay. Reduce the size of the cardboard by cutting these two edges here on the two sides here. So use the cutter or scissor. Cut it straight. And cut also the other side. Do not throw this because you'll be still needing this later on. And there you go. You have a rectangular plain cardboard now here. On your cardboard, sketch the shapes and patterns following your design map here. So you'll be drawing the shape and the terrain to show the elevation of each surfaces. Shows that this area is elevated. So it's like a ladder here. Okay. What else? Here. You can see here that each of these traces of line here pertains to the elevation of the surfaces of your map. Copy some small shapes and patterns here from your base template and draw it in a separate cardboard like this. Then cut it carefully. Try not to lose the shape of the small pieces here. Okay, retain some shape here. You'll be needing to trim down like this. Cut. Use strong scissor in cutting this cardboard. There you go. So you have now small shapes representing some small patterns here in your template. Assemble all your relief as a layer like this by sticking it using a glue gun. Small pieces here. Okay, there you go. This layer of relief are the main parts here of the shape here in your graph or in your map here, representing this as a hill. Okay, and there are small hilly terrain here like this also represent here on your map. Okay, so it doesn't seem to look like the same shape, but this pretty good layer of relief will represent your topography in your project. Prepare your coloring materials such as this one is acrylic coloring. Choose appropriate color for the representing the water in your topography. Here I choose a light color blue. So you can use your skills in art making, especially in choosing the correct or the appropriate color representing the water. So after you are done with the water, you will now color your relief here, representing layer of hardboards showing the elevation of a hill. So here you will start from the first layer here, the lower layer, with a light green color. Next layer should be darker than the first layer here. So you can mix other background color to make it darker. Okay, and then use a dark color green here. Mix it. So you can choose any variation of color as long as it is quite darker here. Okay, so there will be a contrast of color between layers. And some more light color green. Okay. Then make it darker. You can add some black. Mix it. And paint the higher elevation here. Okay, then add some more black, make it darker. Light color here. White color. Okay. So be sure the top layer here would appear darker, or the darkest color on top. Okay, there you go. Okay, so be sure that you color all the terrain here before you stick on the elevated relief here. Okay? Prepare your green grass. So you have now the green grass that you can put on to the on top layer of your grassland here. So use a glue stick to stick this one, or any glue. Elmer's glue can be used by using this plastic green grass. And then sprinkle it, stick it on here like this. Also, do not forget to use your glue gun, so make it your water here looks like lively. Okay, you can use here your glue stick or glue gun for representing the flow of water here. You can add some material such as like this, a flag, and some coloring on the landscape here. And there it goes. You have now your topographic relief model.